Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is James Dominic, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install custom fonts to your Pixellab. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so that you can get new videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So go to your Pixellab app, type in a text. So after that, we'll go to the text editor tool and click on fonts. Then click on my fonts. And I'm going to click on this folder here. Select fonts. Then choose the fonts that you want. There are millions of fonts here. Just select anyone. I'm going to be using let me use Van Guiding. You can select all at once. I can just select one. Okay, I select this and click on add to directory. As you can see, these are the fonts that we have now. All the fonts has been added to our directory. So after this, you can now click on the fonts you want to use. Let me just click on this one, then click on OK. So you can see now we have inserted our custom fonts to our Pixellab. So that is all for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.